Today I'm with Don. How are you today, sir? Now, Don, I've known you for 15 years. We've been friends for a long time. Knowing you as well as I do, I know what you like to eat. You're a cheeseburger guy. Today I'm going to take you into Newport Beach, where we're going to go to the mayor's office. And we're going to have the tastiest burger 2018 has to offer, at least by Orange County Register standards. But before we get going, I want to introduce you to one of my buddies. Have you ever met my buddy Bob? No. I'm going to introduce you. Let's go. Slipping and a sliding. I haven't seen Bob in a while. Oh shit, green arrow. Let's do it. Teachers, leave them kids alone. So this bike suffered some damage from the last time I rode it. You guys probably remember when I tried to make it up that hill. The problem was when I crashed the bike, I smashed my radiator. And when I did that, I lost pressure in my cooling system. So once we pulled all the plastic off, we kind of discovered that that was the issue. And Jaeger Troop, who's really handy, used some hammers and some sockets and bent her all back to place. Oh shit. Oh, I hope it was just from the overflow. I'll be watching the temperature, but we'll see, man. I actually thought about buying a brand new radiator, and an OEM radiator, $800 for this bike. The radiator cap alone is $40. Come on, Suzuki. Oh, what is happening? That's an official looking stop sign you got there.
Oh, yeah. No, if you guys don't stop, I'll just drop it over.
You could do that. Or that's the fast way to get a city street named after me. Suburban Delinquent sues the city.
Alright guys, you ready to go?
Thanks, man. Yeah. So they're repaving this road. Man, people take this road really fast already. I can only imagine how fast they're going to take it once it's shiny and new. I'm going to introduce you to my buddy Bob. He's kind of quiet. Kind of an asshole at times too, though.
I can relate.
Bob, what's up, dude? It's been a while, dude. What have you got for me? Oh, here we go. Sub D and Club. Hope this finds you in good spirits. Big fan of your videos. Keep up the awesome content. Right on, Jake. Appreciate that. Cat Cam. I know Cat Cam didn't come all the way out here without calling me. So I'm assuming this is FZ Rick. We got a plate frame. A Yoshimura plate frame. Look at that. Nothing there. Under the... Where'd the cock go? Someone replaced Bob's cock with Santa. Merry Christmas, sir. Put a couple stickers for you. Look at this. Oh, that's going to turn your whole mouth blue. It's going to be amazing. We're on our way to get a cheeseburger. I'm going to enjoy this tasty beverage before we eat our tasty burgers. Dawn has some errands to run around, so we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to backtrack, make our way to Santa Ana, run his errands, and then we'll make our way to Newport Beach. Hopefully interesting shit happens. Look at this. That's interesting. You got 75,000 miles on this thing? Dude, that's impressive. In fact, I'm curious. You guys in the comments section below, let me know how many miles are on your bike. Don's even got me beat. I'm at 68,000. I love this part. Getting it. High five. Pow. Slug bug pow. You. While I'm thinking about this $16 burger, let me tell you a little bit about it before I forget. This burger is a no-frills burger. It doesn't come with lettuce, it doesn't come with pickles, it doesn't come with tomatoes, nada. This simple burger consists of big fat burger patty, some cheddar cheese, a little bit of caramelized grilled onions on a bun. That's it. That is it. So with so few little ingredients, I have to know what makes this burger so amazing. And we're gonna find out. Nice car, buddy. You think you can beat me to the white line on the other side of the intersection? I win. Rematch? This dude in the Mercedes wants to go for it. Get out of my way, Prius! Ah. That dude went way over. I'll chill here, sir.
A few moments later.
So I was watching the news earlier, and apparently this armored truck carrying a bunch of cash, something happened to it. Money spilled out all over onto the freeway, causing all kinds of craziness. If that happened in your proximity, some armored truck broke down or crashed, whatever, and there's a bunch of money all over the road that you knew wasn't yours and didn't belong to you, what would you do? Morally though, I'm all about the karma. You might be able to steal a couple $100. I feel like that shit's gonna come back and bite you in the ass. That's someone's money and it's not yours, so it's stealing. I don't know, I just don't like thieves. Whoa, Prius almost took out my friend. Out of my way, Prius! I think that's it. That's fancy, dude. That's why it's a $16 burger. Towing in progress. We made it. It's just crazy to me thinking maybe 50 yards that way. The best burger in Orange County sits. Let's get in there and tackle this burger, man. Anticipation's killing me. #1 ranking burger in all of Orange County, we just ate. What did you think?
It was okay. Best burger?
Yeah.
No.
Wasn't the best burger you ever had? No. Where was the best burger you've ever had?
TK Burger.
TK Burger? I did go there in a video, and you are right, man. That place is really good. The burger was good. Was it the best burger in Orange County? Not to me. It might be to someone else, but it's not to me. I spent a total of $42 for everything that you saw on the table. We got 2 burgers and fries and a $5 tip. So there's $42 right there. Big shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You guys know who you are. I know who you are. Now the world knows who you are. Really appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys make it all worth it. Keep me motivated. Let's not forget the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, the law offices of Henry Haddad and Voss Helmets, keeping this channel alive. Remember, support the companies that support us.